right, getting everything set up here. Getting all the things set up. One moment. I'm going to pull out all the chat windows in the spot where they need to be chat windows. Here we go. One moment. Getting things set up. I'm excited about today. There's going to have some fun conversation today. One of the things I wanted to do was draw a circle. This is what I wanted to do yesterday. Not just draw a circle sounds simple. Have the AI draw a circle. Yesterday, we had the AI draw a semicircle. I want to try to do a full circle. I want to try to get the AI to do a full legit circle. And we're going to draw little pixels at different points. Hey, how's it going, Ashford? Welcome on in. Good to see you. We're going to have the AI draw a circle for us, like a real circle. Yesterday, we had a semicircle. It doesn't count. Yesterday, a semicircle. So today, oh, Kevin McAllister, you're here. You're actually here. This is great. It's good to see you. I'm just going to get all my chat windows set out here, so that way we get all the chat windows in the right spot. I have to click the little pop-out buttons here so I can read see, there you go. Wait, you didn't see that? No, you didn't see nothing. So get the chat windows going there. So there's that one. And then I also want to get this one over here. So that way we get all the chat windows in the right spot, you guys. We get the chat windows in the right spot. Then we're going to get on with it. We're going to do some coding. We're going to really focus on coding today. How's it going, Niall? Good to see you, Niall. Kumar, welcome on in. We're going to be doing have the AI draw a circle, like a real circle, not pretend partway circle. Full on circle. That's what we're going to do. Full on circle. I'm really excited about this. I haven't done this. We saw it all. I know it's too late. It's too late. I saw it all. You didn't see the pop-up window. So that's what I got to do. I'm going to click this button and click the pop-out chat window. All right, cool. Then we got the pop-out chat. And then I can pop that over here. And that makes it so I can see everything better. I can see it all good now. All the things are better. Here we go. And then what I could do is I can actually bring that over to this. I can bring that over there, and then I can close this. We don't need that window anymore. And now we've got everything set up in a very, very nice, efficient screen. It's all set up nicely. Beautiful screen. Hey, how's it going, Torva? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Wednesday. We're going to be doing we're going to do the AI thing that we wanted. Hey, SIQ 3000, how's it going? It's good to see you. It has been 25 years since I've drawn a circle on a computer via algorithm. And we're going to do it one step further. We're going to have the AI learn how to draw a circle. And we're going to draw a real circle. That's the plan. That's the only thing we're going to do today. And I don't know, it's going to take a little bit. We're going to make it happen though. How are you doing that? Is it going to be generating SVG? We're going to just do it with Matplotlib in Python. Matplotlib in Python. So that's the plan. Matplotlib and Python. There we go. That's what we're going to do. So let's get the code up on the screen, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to make it happen. So we got part of our code here. Let me close this window. There we go. And then what we need to do is, so this is our code from yesterday. What it does is it draws a sine wave on the screen. It draws a sine wave. And it's good enough, and right, we turned it into a semicircle from someone who was helping us, that we modified the x-axis to be negative, which draws a sine wave on top of a sine wave, and it looks like this. Actually, let's check it out. This is where we're at today. So Python. Oh wait, do I have to? Yeah, I think. Do I have to? Yeah, I think I have to say. What is it called? Not activate. Deactivate. Actually, you know what? Maybe I don't. Let's just run it. Let's just run it directly. Let's see if it works. Was it hard to make your own CC? What do you mean by CC? Oh, see, this is it right here. This is it. So you're seeing right here on the screen. It's it's not really a kind of like it's a shape. I don't know what shape that is, but it's not a circle. This is not a circle. And so I want to make a full-on real circle, like an actual circle, and have the AI do it. And so I know you can do it this has been 25 years since I've done this. 25 years! Sine and cosine. If you combine them in a certain way, it lets you draw a circle. So let's see if we can do that. Just from memory. I don't know if we're going to make it. I don't know if it's going to be possible, but we're going to try. We're absolutely going to try. Drawing a circle from memory. All right, let's pop over back here. All right, so what we need to do is we've got our line space, so we're good. And the output, so we need to update our model. The output we don't want to do squeezing anymore. Here, actually, you know what? What we should do is close this and then copy it so we have a reference, just in case we have to go back to something that's not working properly. So cp_nn, and then we want to move it to old nn.py by nn. There we go, popping that back up. By CC you mean when you talk. Oh, with your words. Oh, closed caption. So this is an open caption. Was it hard to make my own? It was a little bit. I mean, a smidgen, because it took many, many tries. It took a lot of tries to get it to work. So as you can see, it works pretty fine, but it took many iterations to get it going. It took a lot of iterations. So yes, hard, but also, nah. I mean, I had to do it without AI help. So yeah, these days we have AI doing all those things, right? So here we go. Let's pop into it. Let's pop into it. Hey, how's it going? Snow Wolf RO Doctor, how's it going, guys? Good to see you. All right, we're doing real coding today. That's the plan. We're really making it coding, so you can actually see the coding now. See all the screens. All right. So we also are going to have I believe Matplotlib. Here we go. Matplotlib. Let's get. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. See the little heart icons there floating on the screen. See the floaty icons showing up there. All right, here we go. So we're actually coding now. So we've got our input space. But what I need is we need the output. We need two outputs, linear outputs. The output needs to be 2. So this needs to go to 2 and not flatten, a linear output 2 like this. Something like this. I think this should be good. And the input, I believe, should just be 1. I think it's just 1 because it's just going to be, a number. And the output will be 2 values, the sine and the cosine. So this will be the y2 and the y1. I think I'm making this up. I'm totally making this up. Cosine, right? So is this going to work? I don't know. We're going to find out. I'm actually kind of really serious. We'll see if it works. We'll see if it works this time. Here we go. So let's see. Let's pop in over here. Now, I think what we need to do is this will be y equals, I don't think we need to, what is that going to do? What is stacking going to do? I don't think we have to do that. I think all we have to do is do it. Oh, yes. Okay. Yes. I get it. Okay. So this might do the trick. Maybe. So what we need to do is have y1 and y2 as the output, but we need to unstaple it. We need to staple it in a way. Vivald. What do you mean Vivaldi? What do you mean Vivaldi? What do you mean Sosa? What do you mean Vivaldi? What do you mean by that? All right, let's pop in over here. All right, so I think we don't need P anymore, right? What was P for? Oh, P for power. We're not doing that. We're not doing that anymore. So we don't need that. Wait, is it assembly? It's Python. Why does this look confusing? Oh, this is Python. You're right. It's Python. This is absolutely Python. We're running Pytorch here. You can see. We got some Pytorch happening right now. Some Pytorch up there. So this Python. Don't you want to make your own CLI assistant that you can ask quick questions or run commands and pipe? Pipe the output to an assistant, ask him to find a word from output of the command. Maybe. I mean, SAQ3000. That sounds like a fun project. It definitely sounds like a fun project. What I need to do is I need to print the Y. I'm very curious about this. I want to see what this Y is. I want to make sure it's the right shape that I'm looking for. Hey, how's it going? YWIWI. How do you say your name? Woo-wee-wee? Wah-woo-wee-wee. How do you say your name? Wah-woo-wee. It's good to see you. Welcome on in. We are building our own AI that draws a circle. I know it's very simple and silly. Oh, you love the subtitles? Nice. Excellent. Yeah, we've got them right here. We wrote that software 7 years ago. I know we keep saying that like 7 years ago. But it's true. Many years ago. And so now what we're going back even further. Even further. We're going back 25 years. 25 years. Stephen Valli is a famous song. It has 4 seasons. It was made by a famous musician, if I remember. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. See the floaty heart icon showing up there? Good to see you. Good to have you in here. We're making our own AI that learns how to draw a circle. That's what we're doing. If I remember, he's the name of Mozart. Oh, right. You remember? He's Mozart? Really? I didn't know that. Who would have ever thought? You never knew. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. All right, pop on over here. So I want to print Y, and then I want to not do anything else. So let's close that real quick. Let's pop this over here. What does that look like? What does it look like? What does Y look like? Okay. Is this correct? Yes, that is. That is correct. So and then what we need to do is we need to extrapolate it. We need to make it bigger. So I need to multiply these numbers. When the numbers are in the output, we need to keep them small. We have got to keep them small while the AI is training. And then when the AI does the output, we can magnify it. We can magnify it at the point. Otherwise, it's just going to be a little circle on the screen. You won't even be able to show. It'll be like a dot. It'll be a dot on the screen. You forgot to type 3. What do you mean? Hello, Mr. Sir. Hi. I hope you have an above midday. We're big SIGs. We got an above midday. I agree. We're doing good. Where's circle? You can't see it yet. I mean, you technically see it right here. If you knew how to see it, it's right here on screen. You can't. That doesn't look like a circle to you? Does that not look like a circle to you? It's a circle. Can't you see it? Can you not see that that's a circle? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually draw that on Matplotlib. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. All right, so here, let's bring this back. So this is going to be our model. Our input is going to be 1 value, and then I think what we could do is we can pop that up to 5 and 20, and then back down to 2. And then this is more. That's too much. That's too much. We don't need that much. Let's bring this down. Let's do 5 and 5 again. Here we go. So I don't even think we need that much. I don't even think we need that much. Is numbers? Wait, it's the numbers. Yeah, you got it. It's the numbers. It's the numbers, you guys. So that's the plan. All right, here we go. So MSE, do we want to do MSE is fine, probably. We don't need to go any crazy with that. Learning rate looks good. MSR prop, although I would like to do SGD. Can we do SGD instead? SGD? Is that something that we can do? That's it. Hey, Lunar CDR, thank you for your subscription. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. Happy to have you in here. We're actually going to be doing code this today. We're refocusing on the code. We got to make it work. But I think the AI will draw a circle. It's going to draw a circle. It really will. You got to start working on NASA or something, because I don't know what you're watching. Are you no, we're not, slow jam questions. Nope. Regular person. Just a person over here. I don't want to answer any more specifics on that. Human from Earth. Let's put it that way. Normal human from Earth. That's one of my friends. Thank you for the moderation there. Thank you for Stephen. Can you play Valvid's Winter, please? It's not music. Someone own or copywritten. Thank you for the subscription, Zordmax. We're gonna make it happen. Vivaldi Winter's NPS is not a copyright. Are you sure it's not a copyright? I don't know how to say it. Are you sure it's not copyright SAQ 3000? I don't know about that. I don't know. Hey, Lucas. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Nithit. Hey, welcome on in. Decoder technology. What's going on? Hey, please watch language. You're coding. I know, right? Oh, please. Which language? This is Python. Decoder technology. We're doing Python here. We're doing Python. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. We got there we go. Clicking the things, clicking the buttons. I'll link a copy in Discord. Thank you. Do a Discord. Thank you. Torva, thank you. Decoder Technology, thank you for a subscription. 1 minute sounds good. Python, you got it. Python. This is it. Python. We're gonna have the AI. We're gonna teach the AI to draw a circle. That's the plan. That's the plan. So 2,000 samples. How many epochs? We don't need this anymore. We don't need that. We'll have to figure this out. We don't need this anymore. Let's get rid of some stuff here. There we go. We don't need this. There we go. So, thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate the likes, you guys. You can imagine that this is going to be nifty, I think. I think it's pretty nifty. Tor, thanks for the video. More enjoyable. Okay, cool. Can you explain the value of learning rate here? Sorry. Oh, learning rate. Okay. So learning rate, if you saw this on the screen, right here, the learning rate. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Learning rate is the amount. So here, I have to paint a picture. Are you ready for painting a picture? So you're going to train the AI. It's a supervised learning. So this is the input data for the AI. You're going to say, hey, AI, here's a number. This is a number. And AI, you don't know what the answer is. So here's the model right here. Here's the AI right here, the model right here. Tell me model when you execute the model right here, this is where we get the output from the model. The model is going to give us an answer. It's going to say, hey, here's the answer. This is the answer, which is also right here. The same thing here. Here's the answer. Now, what we need to do is we need to calculate how wrong the model is, because it's going to be very wrong initially. It'll be very wrong. Then what you do is, so this is the delta, right? This is the delta, the loss, the error rate, the cost, things like that. How wrong is the AI? And then you take that learning rate and you take the loss, and then you multiply the loss by the learning rate. Basically, LR times the loss. So you do LR times loss, basically. And that's the initial gradient, the init gradient. There you go. That's the init gradient. That's it. And you do this because you don't want to train the model to get the 100% correct on the first thing that it sees, because it won't be able to learn everything else because it's got a limited space. It's got so many parameters. And if you fully eat all the parameters, hey, Shiva, thank you, Shiva, for your subscription. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Thank you for subscribing. We're going to be doing a lot of AI, you guys. We're doing a lot of artificial intelligence. That's the plan. Today we're doing a draw circle. We're having the AI draw a circle. So this is the initial gradient, which is going to say, this is what we want. Greetings from the Netherlands. All right, Donnie, welcome on in. Good to see you. Hello, Stephen. How are you? We're doing good. Good to have you in here. How to define a value of learning rate. It is usually a very small number. Like this, it says 1e negative 3, which is about equal to this. It's about this. It's basically that, right? It's these two things. Hold on. Let's see if we can see it. Python, right? Wait, let's see if we're right. Are we right or not? I don't know. So 1e, right? 1e negative 3 is equal to, it's equal to 0.1. There you go. That's what that is. The negative 3 just means moving the decimal point 3 spaces. So it's going to be 1, but 1.0, but then you're going to move it 3 spaces, which goes, 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's it. 1, 2, 3. So that's what that means. That is what that means. All right, pop that back over here. So basically the answer is 1. So you want it to be low because you're taking away the loss, and you don't want to apply the full loss. You want to apply a smidgen of loss. Just a little bit. You got it. Determined by the trial and error rate. Depends on what works well. You got it, Lucas. It's a try and error. It's a hyperparameter. It's a hyperparameter. Can you make an AI CAPTCHA bypasser? Yes, Tech Gamer, you absolutely can. You can. If a human can do it, an AI can do it. Learning rate alpha controls the magnitude of a slope or derivative of the cost function. Vishal, you bring up a really good point as well, because you don't need to have a static learning rate. You can have a dynamic learning rate. You don't need to make it static. You can grow and shrink it over time. You sent the DM on a link on Discord? Okay, let me pop that up here. All right, let's do it. All right, we're taking a little break from code just for a smidgen. Just from a smidgen. All right, so let me pop this over here. Let me hide that on. Oh wait, I can't. I've got 1 second. 1 second. All right, so let me just. How do we do this? All right, I think maybe we could do it like that. That's good enough. All right. Hey, game 0099. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. Happy to have you join. Here we go. All right, so let's see here. So you got a little bit of the chat there, but you know what? I think it's fine. All right, is this? We're gonna click on it. We're clicking on it. Are you sure this is not copywritten? What do we do now? I don't know what to do. I'm not used to. Can you use a transformer? Thank you for the likes, you guys. Yeah, if you want. Nice music. This is nice music. It's a Mac keyboard. Bro working on his replacement. You got it, JC. All right, we did the music. Oh, it's got to stop before something else plays. No, wait. That was actually kind of nice. I didn't talk at all, and it was just music, and I was just coding. It was like a vibe. I kind of like that. Is there any other? Maybe we can do that more. What other? Are you sure that's copyright free? I don't know if it's not. It's hard to tell. We could let's see here. So I got some activations. We're good to go. Is this going to be better? Is it worse? Nope. All right. So we got to figure out what my challenge is here. All right. So we got to figure out what is it. Nice. Someone with more patience than me. Tori. Yeah. Let's see here. 1 second. T is not defined anywhere. Oh, thank you. T/T. Let's see here. T. Where is it? T. Oh, is that what that is? Self-call. No, we fixed that one already. We already fixed that one. Let's see here. Pop that open here. See it. Pytorch classical music. You got it? Pytorch and classical music. That's it. It was for a while. If there's more, should we keep going on the classical music? All the classics music playlists. Yes, do more? Okay. Let's do more. So is this... is it actually copyright free, or are we making a mistake here? Could we keep going? Steven, you add a background music, but enough that we can still hear you too. Okay, so we could drop it down a smidge. There we go. I don't know. Is this copyright? I don't know. We'll find out. All right, we add a little bit of music there, just a smidgen. We'll try it this time around. You're passing a 1D tensor into a linear layer expecting a 2D input. Oh, thank you. All right. So that's it. 1D tensor. Thank you. Let's see, double check. It is. No, it's 1D, right? 1D input. 1D tensor into a linear layer expecting a 2D input. Right? Isn't this... So this is the 2D output, right? And then X is... Wait. Oh, no. So wait, print X. One second. Print. So let's do print X dot shape, and then just print X as well. Let's do that. So I want to see what those are real quick. Because just to double check. Okay. Python. Wait, this is totally copyright. Stephen, play Sugar Palm Furry song. Put it on Discord. Put it on Discord, you guys. Get the lower view ones, IDK. They got more like 10-hour long videos. Oh, Dylan. What's up? Hey, Dylan, how's it going? Pytorch coding, classical music. Join the discussion. Oh, that's what's happening. All right. So this is the input. Oh, look at what. Okay, so our input is. This looks wrong. The input should be one dimension, right? A one-dimension input, but this is not a one-dimensional input. This is like a 20-dimensional input. Okay, so that's what the problem is. You're right. Okay, Dylan, you got it. You're right. All right, so we got to fix this. We have to fix this part right here. X equals x dot map lambda. I don't need that. I need it to be x. X. It needs to be this, right? Something like that. I mean, we need to do that, but we got to put it into we got to put it into a tensor. That's what we got to do. What we could also do is do a range. We could figure this out. Steven, ask ChatGPT to find it. Less than 1 second. Okay. Put it into Discord. And Steven, this reciting is most likely. Oh, it is? Okay. Let's pop. We'll pause that then. It sounded it, right? It sounded like it was copywritten. It sounded copywritten. There we go. So let's see here. Bring this back over here. Hey Dylan, good to see you. Saw you say hi there for a second. Thank you for joining. All right, so let's see. I'd be happy to put on some more music here. Just find the uncopyrighted stuff and put it in Discord. Put it in the Discord. All right, let's see here. So what we need to do is we need to get this to the right shape here. Oh wait, no. Oh, whoops. Hold on. I put that in the wrong window. Okay, so undo that. Bring it over here. Bring it back over here. Let's see if that's the right shape. Okay. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Let's see if we can get this to work. I just joined the Discord. My username is Bentzman. Steven, I'll message you. All right, sounds good. Kevin McAllister. Hey, all right, cool. That's great. All right, Kevin McAllister joining on Discord. Finally. All right, then we could also talk about that one thing that we were talking about that one time. And I'll be happy to tell you more details. I'll link if you can out the background classical piece copyright free. What do you mean by that? To get to know your secret reason. Yeah, exactly. To get to know the secret reason. Exactly. What are you trying to do? Dylan, we're just going to have the AI draw a circle. We're teaching the AI to draw a circle. And I haven't done this for 25 years. Well, I haven't done the AI part, obviously, but I drew a circle 25 years ago, and I'm going to try to remember if I got it right from 25 years ago. So let's, I need to copy that, close that, put this here. Oh, I already did that. Okay, print X. Let's delete that really quick and then pipe that over here. Is this the right shape now? Oh, wait. Oh, because it's a tensor. It's a tensor. Okay. So it doesn't have a map. All we got to do is get this into the right shape. Basically, we want it to be all the numbers. We want it to be every number, all the numbers. What I could do is instead of just doing this, I could create a NumPy, create a range, and then just draw it myself, create a draw myself. Is it possible that I could, instead of doing 2,000, can I do something like this, 1 by 2,000? Is that possible? Does Pytorch like that? I don't know. See, this is the thing. This is where we got to learn more Pytorch. Sugar Plum Fairy Song. Okay, I absolutely will. Just linked it in Discord. Link it in Discord. Hey, how's it going, Nick Tuck? Good to see you. Welcome on in, Nick Tuck. Been we as you can see, we got things set up we got the screen now. You can actually see the screen this time. So let's see if we get over here. Let's pop this open here. Okay, so line space invalid, expecting float tuple, but expected start, end, and steps, comma star out. Okay, so maybe we could do it like this. Is this better? I don't know. We'll find out. Let's try it again. Done like that. Okay, so then I need to, okay, so what I want to do is create a linear space, a range, a start and an end. If we do it like this, but I need to turn it back into, what we could do is we could turn this into an MP. So let's do that first. MP.array, like that. Maybe we can do, oh no, actually what we do, I remember now. We're remembering things. It's so dot NumPy. There we go. I think that'll do it now. That'll make it better. That'll make it a lot better. All right, is that good? Wait, no, that totally will work. What are you talking about? Awesome. I think so. I think it's too. I think it's a pretty neat. idea. What do you mean? Wait. So hold on a second. Let's bring this back. So are you sure? W inner old numpy. See right here. I'm doing it right here. This is happening right here. So what the deal? All right. So that should work. So we'll just say input. We'll say input equals that. Input dots numpy. We do need to map it though. We do need a map. And it needs to be, we'll just say AA. Here we go. Much better. Like that. Okay, let's see if that works now. Let's print X in shape. Is that going to work now? Are you working in Python right now? Yes, I am. CB, you're right. Right, Stephen? How did you solve the streaming on TikTok? I have a phone pointed at the screen. The phone is pointed right at the screen. See, solution. There we go. We solved it. Pointed at the screen. Isn't that great? Isn't that a great idea? I thought it was a pretty clever idea. Let's see if that works now. And see, because we got banned the other day for no good reason. We're like, oh, you do software engineering? Sorry, that does not align with our community guidelines. Phone pointed at the screen is an elite fix. I know, right? It's ultimate. The ultimate fix, you guys. We got it fixed. Silver, I know. If it works, it works. You got it. If it works, it works. You're absolutely right. All right, let's see if we can get this. We can get this going here. Oh, it's perfect. See, better. All right, check this out. Burp. All right, input like that. There we go. Oh wait, no, it failed there. But oh, I hope it fixes it. Did we? No. Okay. Input that numpy. Why doesn't it like? Oh, maybe let's do this instead. Let's do this. Let's convert. Let's make sure. Okay, perfect. This is what I wanted. This is what I was looking for. All right, excellent. We're almost there. We're making it happen, you guys. Wait, really? A phone pointing at the screen? I know, right? Isn't that crazy? As unexpected. Did the digital camera from OBS work? It would if I was on Windows. Torva, it would if I was on Windows, but it won't work in this case because you has to be on Windows in order for that to work. It does. And I'm running on Mac. This is a Macintosh, you guys. It's on a Mac. How can they see you? You're pointing at the OBS screen. Yeah, you got it. You're pointing at the OBS screen. So we've got, you can't see it here, but like I've got it all like tucked over here in the corner. If I could I've got another phone and I could show you from there. Thank you for the likes, you guys. I appreciate it. So floaty heart icons show up there. All right. So what we need to do now is we need to iterate over this so that way we can create a new X. So let's do this. For I in input like this, right? We want to make X, so we'll do it like this. We'll make it old the OG way. Here we go. This is how I know it. X.append. Yes, perfect. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Now it's gonna work. Actually, we could even do this, or even we could do. You know what we could do? We don't even have to do. Watch this. We'll make it like this, right? So we'll do I. There we go. We'll do some list comprehension. I like that a little bit better. Keep it all in one line. You might as well, because how small is it to take up multiple lines? We don't need to. I mean, hey, never fix a working system. I know, Torvo, right? Pointing a finger at the screen might automate AI think it was something else. Oh, it could be Pytorch discussion, share tips. So that's basically what we got. We got a Pytorch discussion happening here. All right, let's pop in over here. This is what I was looking for. Nice. Although almost. So wait 1 second. This is not exactly what I'm looking for. Because now it's slightly off. It's slightly off because this is, it needs to do .numpy. There we go. We got to do that. And then we got to do a tensor. We need to add in a tensor. That's what we got to do next. Got to run Windows. I know in a virtual machine, use OBS virtual camera to repeat your YouTube. I know we could. Kevin McDowell, we absolutely could. We could do some virtualization. Got Windows running here on a Mac and then still we use virtual camera from the Windows. What about programming do you think drew you in? Silver, video games. I wanted to make my own video games. And then I did. That's where I got started with computer engineering in school, in grade school, before college. I got really excited about it. I want to make some video games, and I did. I learned OpenGL, I learned DirectX, and I made my own video games, and I figured out how to draw a circle. And I'm remembering from 25 years ago now. 25 years ago, we're doing it. We're making a circle again. So we're gonna draw a circle, but we're going a step further. We're going to have the AI learn how to draw a circle, and then we're going to draw what the AI wants to draw. So we got to get all the input data properly. Thank you for Dylan for mentioning it. It's awesome, isn't it, Silver? I thought it was awesome too. I think this is great. I'm really excited about this. Okay, so we almost got the right shape. The one thing that we need to do now is this needs to be we need to convert this into a tensor. So maybe torch.tensor. Is that what that was? Is it torch.tensor? Well, hold on. I could look up the docs. Convert X to tensor. Yep, there we go. This is it. All right, so that's it. That's all we needed right there. That's all we needed. So that looks good to me. I think we're good to go. Let's print it out and make sure we're looking good here. Right. There we go. Got syntax errors on the screen there. Perfect. Perfect. We got it now. This is the exact input that I was looking for. Now we can go back to our model. Stephen, 25 is older is older than years old. Is really? I thought Stephen is 15. Kevin McAllister. I know, right? Oh hey, how's it going? We got Zach. Zach is in here. What's going on, Zach? Just saw you pop in there. We got a screen happening, pointing at a screen. How's it going, Zach? I don't know if you're still there or not. You might have popped in and popped out magically. You never know. It can happen. Hey, Sama Nath. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your subscription. We'll be doing a lot of AI content. We're doing a lot of artificial intelligence content. And that's what we're doing. A lot of coding content. How's it going, Syed? Thank you. Good to see ya. All right. So now we got the right shape. This is the right shape. We're good to go. So what I want to do is copy all of this, and then we need to get back our old model here. Bring it back 1 second. There we go. Old model is back. Now all we do is pop it in there. Pop it in there like that. There we go. And then I don't think we need this, but I do think we need this. Maybe what we could do is do this. Output is 2. Yep. 5 to 2. All right. I think that should work now. It should work because that's how I would write it. All right. Let's pop this in over here. Is it going to throw an error? Oh, if T-O. Okay. Yep. That was a problem. So Dylan, you were mentioning that was going to be a problem, and it is. All right. So this is going to be epoch. Here we go. T is instead of epoch. All right. Jumping in. All right. Is it? Oh. Okay. Progress. We made progress. That's progress. There's nothing on the screen because there's nothing to draw yet because we didn't draw it right yet. All right. Before we do show, and we don't need legend. Let's see. Pop that over here. Let's make sure that we get our let's get it all correct. I want to make sure we get it all proper. Everything needs to be proper. So it actually ran now. We're almost there. All we have to do is change some of the parameters, and I think we'll be good to go. Let's see. Can we do? Thank you for the likes, you guys. Minus. Let's do like this. We'll do -6. Thank you for all the reactions, Stephen. Did you hear about the FFmpeg and Google drama? I did, Kevin McAllister. I did. I was watching Primeagen. Who's talking about it. The idea is Google's AI found a vulnerability in some very old codec that was used in LucasArts a long time ago, and it's basically dead code. And so the AI came out and said, hey, there's actually a vulnerability here. And it's a legit vulnerability. Does the AI want to fix it as well? Nope. We're just going to tell you about the vulnerability. So that was the drama. Oh boy, your video is way too underrated. Is it? And way useful. Thanks. Hey, thank you, Syed. Thank you. That's really great feedback. Appreciate it. Oh, Kamala, good to see you. Hey, Stephen, good morning. What is the agenda today? Sorry, I'm late. When does the live start? We just started about a few minutes ago, 20 minutes ago or so. It's been 25 years since I've drawn a circle using computer software. I'm going to do it again, but this time we're going a step further. This time. We're going to have the AI draw a circle. We're going to have the AI draw. It's the best way to learn, is it? That's great to hear. So we're making it happen. All right. Oh boy. All right. Cool. All right. Let me double check if I got all the chat messages. I did. We got all the chat messages. We're looking at. Okay. So there we go. So now we've got the AI. It's trained and it has the output. Let's see if we can actually. Oh! Look at that! Do you see that? I feel like vindicated here. Isn't that great? I am very happy right now. That is the exact output that we want to see there. We like that output. That output makes us very happy. Go even further and do it in assembly. I know, right? Piper, or Papier? Is it Papier or Piper? Papier. We could, but that's a little much for now. It's a smidgen too much. Maybe we will. So I still want to. So y'all don't know, or you might have known. I dropped out of college. Many years ago, decades ago, I dropped out of college because I had other things that are better to do. And some things that you do when you study computer science in college is assembly language. That is a class that I never took because I dropped out. Just call me Paper. Okay, Paper. I'll call you Paper. There we go. Call you Paper, you guys. I will call you Paper. going forward. Just trying to remember paper instead of papier, it's paper. Got to remind me. Instead of papier, it's paper. All right, here we go. So we've got it. It looks good. Can we bop this down a bit? Can we bop it down a bit? Let's try bopping it down. Let's see if it does even better. It does. It does even better. Can we bop it down even more? Let's see. There we go. Bop it down even further. Wait, did that save? Oh wait, no. Here, let's see. Get. Save. There we go. Okay. Bop it down even further. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. So it's almost there. So we probably need to do a few more batches. Although our batch sizes are pretty big. I think we're actually doing pretty good. Let's go further. So instead of 2,000, let's go to 5,000. We go. All right, here. Let's go 5,000. Excellent. Let's see if that pops it down even further. So we can get even more. Okay, so we hit the floor. We hit the floor. Ish. Hey, wait, Eddie. Hey, Eddie Legendary. That's exciting. Come on, it's exciting. I know, right? I'm really happy about this. This is really good. We're getting way faster at this now. Check it out. I think this is beautiful. This is fantastic. Okay, so Eddie Legendary, welcome on in. Good to see you. Do you use Windows or Linux? Paper. We are running on a Unix-based system, which is a Mac. We're running on a Mac, so it's a Unix-based system. Hey, you are doing the Hello Silicon stuff on YouTube, right? Yes, for assembly. You got it. That's right. We need to continue it. Thank you for the shout out from Yova or Yov Gold Schmid. Yo, how's it going? Yov, good to see you. Shout out, said hi. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. All right. So now that we've got the AI and it learned how to draw a circle. See, that's what I'm seeing. Drawing a circle. Isn't that great? Okay, let's pop that down just a little bit more. So let's bring this up to 8,000. And I want it to really learn a circle. It's like, you're going to remember to learn a circle. There it goes. Oh, isn't that satisfying? Oh, that's so much better. I did like to see it on the screen. Let's bring this down a smidge more so we can see a little bit more. I love your energy and enthusiasm. Thank you. Thank you for saying Hawaria or Hawaria. I don't know if I can say your name properly, but I appreciate. Thank you for saying. That's really great feedback. All right, we did it, you guys. It learned. Isn't that great? Our simple linear feed-forward neural network model that is hardware accelerated on our Mac with metal backend. The metal backend with the Macintosh. Pytorch talk. This is it. The Pytorch talk, you guys. That's what's happening. We're talking about Pytorch and drawing a circle. Okay, so isn't this beautiful? Look at how simple this code is. Isn't it great? So I'm going to bring that up a little bit, draw it down. Now it's almost the entire code is all on the same screen. Almost all of it. Almost all of it's on the same screen. So now what we can do is we can get the output. The out should now represent a circle. You said it perfect. UTS learning. Steven is the CC free music. Oh, thank you, Torva. Thank you. All right, which language? Python. The last attack, you guys. The last attack. The last attack said, it's Python. You got it. Thank you for the likes, you guys. All right, let's get the music going. Here. All right, pop that up in here. Where is it at here? It's down here on the screen. It's right here on the screen. Bring that up. Okay, here we go. We got the music. I'll bop it down just a smidge. Okay, 27 minutes. I'll make sure it's not too loud. All right, here we go. Is it CC free? Are you sure? How do you tell? How do you tell it's Creative Commons? I believe you. But it would be neat to see that it says Creative Commons. Is it? It might be. What we could do is is Creative Commons license free? ? Let's find out. It should say yes. The copyright of violin consider depends on entirely which composer work you're referring to. Okay. So which one are we doing here? This is by Esser. This is by Esser. ESS. I don't. Is it on here? Esser. Okay. Let's pop this over here. See here. We're gonna find out. AI mode, please. No. Are you sure? Are you sure, Torva? Are you sure? The AI is like, nope. Nope, it's not. We'll probably have to mute. We'll have to mute the audio later. We'll have to mute the audio later. Okay. I'll let it go for a smidge. Go for a smidge. But it says no is not available under a Creative Commons license. Oh, but is it public domain though? The composition itself is public domain. However, it's still copyright by the United States. So I don't know. Let me know. Let me know if we're doing it right or not. Let me know if we're doing it right. Let me know if you change your mind about that. You joined late. Oh, you joined late. Could you please explain shortly what we're doing? Okay, yes. I'll do it. Recorded in 1968. Should be fine. Okay. Statute of limitations. All right, there we go. I want to see the circle as it learns. Oh, as it learns? That would be really neat to see, wouldn't it? We could do progressive. We could see the AI be very bad, and then we could see it learn a little bit over time. We could see what it looks like when it's learning. Okay, since we're getting so far so fast, Kevin McAllister, that's a really good idea. Gonna be honest, I don't get a single thing in here. I'm in network engineer paper. Hey, you know what? Network engineering, you'll probably use some Python a little bit there. He's training a deep learning model to draw a circle. It'll draw a circle in Matplotlib. You got it. On a graph. That's right. On a graph, you guys. I'm actually really excited about this. Let's make it happen. So let's at least for now, let's draw. What we need to do is we need to multiply it. So here's the output. Here's the output there. So there's the out. Detach.numpy. Now, what we need to do is the out is going to be in two shapes. So it's going to be out. So the x. So it'll be x in PS. So x, not this. Here we go. So it's going to be out like this. All right. Out. Blah blah blah. We need to do this. Blah blah blah. I need to grab this real quick. All right. So we need to. 1 second. All right. Steven, check out MonoDraw. Oh, is that like a better drawing system? MonoDraw is better drawing. Okay. MonoDraw. We'll try Matplotlib first. We'll try Matplotlib, and then maybe we'll check out MonoDraw, and then maybe we'll check out MonoDraw. Out detach. I need to see. This is going to be. What I need to do is iterate over. No. I need to see what basically the X and Y are going to be, right? So the X and Y, and then I need to draw a dot for every single X and Y. That's what I need to do. I draw a dot for every single X and Y, you guys. So now we're at the drawing phase. And what would be fun is to do like Kevin McAllister was describing. We need to also train the model a little bit and then draw what it thinks is a circle, and then train the model a little bit more and then draw what it thinks is a circle. I think that'll be really neat to see. It's better to be safe. I think music always copyrighted. You think we should turn it off? We could. I'm a bot. DevWorks MNC. Good to see this stuff. New subscriber. All right, last attack. Thank you. Hola. All right, MonoDraw Mac OS. I wish it was open source. Oh, really? It's closed source? That's too bad. That is too bad for sure. That's unfortunate. All right, so what I need to do is I got the output, return it into NumPy, and then I need to convert it. So what we could do is say for point in, we say we need new. I need to draw. I need a. How do we say this? What variable name should we give it? I want to call it. We need to create. What is it called? Oh, here we go. PX and PY. That's what I want to do. PX and PY. There we go. There, perfect. This is what I wanted. All right, so that should be it. That should give us our circle. So the AI will give us our circle here. So this is our circle here. So now what we need to do is, I believe all we have to do, is this going to be it? This will be so great if it's it. If this is all we need to do, PY, right? Wouldn't that be circle? CIRCLE. Circle. All right, here we go. So this will be PX and this will be PY. There we go. Perfect. We don't need these things, but I'm going to have them there anyway. It's an ASCII chart editor, very simple and beautiful. All right. Good to know. Oh, just got the number one gifter badge. Hey, Jacob Ray. Thank you, Jacob Ray. Appreciate it. Are you also streaming on? Yes, you got it. We're also streaming. You got it. I'm being very careful because I heard that if you say certain words, then it's problematic for the stream. And I've seen it happen firsthand. I saw it happen. And so you got to be careful because they're always listening. You're always listening, so you got to be careful. Hey, how's it going, Mr. K? Good to see you. We're drawing a circle. The AI is drawing a circle. Is it going to work? I think it would be so neat if it worked. All right, here we go. We're going to try it. We're going to try it. Here we go. Oh, wait. We got to do something over here. Oh, it's syntax error, you guys. Little small things like that. Little small thing, the colon. Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Oh, look at that. Look at that, you guys. Check it out. It's basically a circle. Look at what we did there. I knew we'd figure it out. Isn't that cool? It's been 25 years, and I still remember. After 25 years, the things that you thought you would ever forget, you now have in your memory. And look, the AI, it drew a circle. You can even see that there's like a little open spot right here. There's even a little open spot. Can we zoom in on that? Can we zoom in? You see right there? It's like, let me see if I could zoom out on it a little bit. It's just a little bit too. That's a bit much. It's a bit much, but yeah, there, check it out. Let's see, how do we reset the zoom? Can we reset the zoom? No worries. We don't have to reset the zoom. We can just redraw it. We can just redraw it. Is it zoom in, out, up, down? Nope, there's no, okay. Just check, we'll just redraw it. Check this out. Boom, we'll redraw it. Isn't that neat? I don't know, you are so smart. Bart, thank you. Thank you, yep, it's basically, we got a circle, you guys. It's basically a circle. It's basically a circle, and we could probably fill it in a little bit there. Congrats, I know we did it. Both using MSE, and the goal of AI is to, ridiculous, isn't it? The power of simplicity. Oh my God, let's go. We did it. Yo, we did it. Isn't that great? Check it out. Oh, so cool. Wait, sorry, I missed that. So did you say you weren't streaming because of, we are streaming. We are streaming. That's right. You got it. We are. We just didn't say the word. We didn't mention it. Thank you. I know. Thank you, Torba. Thank you, Last Attack. Thank you, Kevin McAllister. We did it, you guys. Isn't that cool? Oh, hell yeah. We did it. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did, Board Villain. We absolutely did. Now, wouldn't it be fun to see what it looks like when the AI kind of knows, but it doesn't fully know, right? Can we see what it looks like when it kind of knows? Press the home button. Oh, is it? Oh, there's a home button. Oh, really? Oh, the whole time. Okay, so we zoom in and press home. Oh, thank you, Kevin McAllister, as you can see. Not used to the button. Thank you. Kudos. You did it. We did it, you guys. We did it. The home button resets the zoom. You just subscribed, Board Villain. Thank you for your subscription. Oh, dig for it. Okay, Jacob. Sounds good. Why are you so excited about creating a circle? Because the AI did it. Because we trained an AI to do it. We trained the AI to draw a circle, and it did it. It actually drew it. Look, the artificial intelligence, we trained it to draw a circle. And it did, right? So right here, sign approximation. So you pop into this, right? Oh, wait, we can't do that. Okay, so good. Anyway. Oh, hey, Funix, thank you for your subscription. Welcome on in. We're going to be having a lot more content for artificial intelligence, a lot more coding. We're going to be focusing on coding, a lot of coding. It's exciting, isn't it, Nick Talk? I thought it was great. It's pretty neat. We're going to play around with it now. Now that we got it, we did that so fast. I was like, oh no, this is probably going to take a few hours. But you know what? We did it. We did it very quick. I thought it was pretty cool. How did you train it? We did this is Jacob. Hey, how's it going, Funix? Switched off from the other stream. All right, welcome on in. You're on the right one now. There you go. Thank you for joining in there. Check it out. I'm very careful not to say the name though, because I saw some problems from previous streams. Not ridiculous. Reduce loss. Oh, we could reduce the loss. We could. Yeah. How did you train it? So here, check this out. All right, let's pop that open there. There we go. Here you go. So check this out. So we created our input data, which is just basically a line, right? A line, which is going to say, here's all the inputs. If I give you a line, I want you to turn that line into a circle. Let's turn the line into a circle. The angle it starts at is wrong, is it? I mean, it looks a little weird. Don't get me wrong. But what we could do is we can give it more. What we could do is we could give it a little bit more, right? So let's double this, 2x. Let's do 2x. So let's play around with it. Let's make it a little bit better. All right. Let's mess with it. Let's mess with it with a little bit. Oh, look at there. All right, see, check. Isn't this weird? This is weird now because now it's drawing in a loop. It's drawing a loop. See? Look. See? Isn't that neat? We're having it draw. We're having it draw multiple. Isn't that crazy? Look at that. Isn't that great? And then we can train it even more. Isn't this neat? Can you explain the layers? Yes, I will. So, see, now the AI is drawing more than once. We had to go around one time. We did one time. Hugging Face dropped a sweet guide a few days ago. You would called Small Training Playbook. Oh, nice, Nick Tuck. Nice. That's actually really great to hear. It would be neat to check that out. Thank you for mentioning. That's an oval. Yeah, I know, Adam. I know it's an oval. I know it's an oval. It's not a perfect circle. We're playing around with it now. We're playing around with it. All right, so we're almost there. So what we need to do is okay. How can we here? Let's do it a little bit better. So let's do times 1.5. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Make a flower. Make it a flower. I don't know if we could do that or not. That might be a little tricky. It might be a little tricky to make it a flower. Oh, sorry. Previous message said reduce loss, but with a typo. So you read it as ridiculous, but I'm not saying ridiculous. Oh, got it. No worries. No worries. AR Gaming, welcome on in. That's really cool. I think it's nifty. When I was going through the playbook, I'm like, this is Steven stuff. Hey, really? That's great to hear. All right, we got to check that out, Nick Talk. We got to check that out. I think that would be neat. Oh, wait. I thought you were CTO of like some 3-man company, but yep, you got it. You got it, Phoenix. You got it. You're absolutely right. We've got a company and there's got lots of employees in it. Hello, why the CTO making circles? I know, right? Why is that happening? Why are we doing that? Because we're having fun. I've got the real answer, but only Kevin McAllister is going to know. Circle, all right? Circle. Only Kevin McAllister is going to get to know the real answer. All right, let's pop this. Let's do 1.5. Let's play around with it. We just wrote this all on stream. Isn't this crazy? I know it's only a few lines of code here, but we did it. We did it, you guys. We did it. We made it work. It's 3 a.m. Wake up to drink some water, but saw your live notification and came in. Cool, Muhammad. Good to see you. Glad you jumped in just for a smidgen, just for a little bit. Glad to have you in here. We're drawing circles, you guys. We're drawing circles. All right, let's see if we can do it again. Let's see what else we got. It's going to be a little bit better now. Okay, so it's here we go. All right, circle. You got the circle. See how we are closing the loop a little bit. We're closing the loop. We're closing the loop, you guys. Do you stream on Word? Yes, I do. It's happening now. We also got someone else over there watching us who joined from other platform. You got it. Bye. Cool, Muhammad. Enjoy your water and sleep. Enjoy. I like companies like this. Nice, board villain. That's great to hear. I like it too. I think it's great. All right, so let's see here. Yes, board villain. Yes. There we go. I'm a spy. Max, are you? Uh-oh. Max is a spy, you guys. We got to be careful. Max is going to tell on us. All right. So let's see if we can close the loop, but without drawing too. It would be kind of neat. Let's see. Actually, I want to go the opposite direction. Let's bring this up to 4. Let's do this. Let's see what the AI does about that. It's going to have a harder time learning. Harder time learning. I told you it was going to have a hard time looking. See, look. See, that's what the AI thinks a circle is now. BYW, okay, bye, Muhammad. Maybe you should train it on the Pytorch logo. Ooh, we could. We absolutely could. We got to represent it mathematically. Why can't you say the words? Because reasons. If I do, I see that I've noticed this happen before, but it causes problems. It causes problems, you guys. I got to be careful. Because it's about advertising that they don't want or something. For whatever reason, it's about advertising. So let's see. So yeah, so we got the AI. It's drawing a circle. Let's see if we can make it draw a better circle. Let's see if we can make it do a better circle. All right. So I think let's do 1.2. I think 1.2 here, or 1.1. Let's do 1.1 and see what that looks like. It should train better. Like the loss will get a lot better here. We're doing a lot better on the loss. Okay, so that's still a bit much. So it's a lot better now, isn't it? It's a lot better. This is AI or Python. Board villain, it's both. It's both of them, you guys. It's both. Max, thank you for the gifter badge. Appreciate it. Number 1, because the AIs are listening. You got it. 1984 stuff. Orwell. You're right. We're doing Orwell. It's all the Orwell, guys. It's 1984, is calling. Oh, all good. Makes sense. Nice. You command AI with Python code. You got it. We're commanding AI with Python code. It's happening. It's real. We're really doing it, you guys. All right. So can we get the AI to draw a little bit better? So let's do 1.05. 1.05. And then I want to, let's see if we drop in another layer there. Let's drop in another, see if the AI can get higher resolution. Oh, now it's doing good. Now it's doing real good. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That is a lot smoother now. You guys, look at that. It's a lot smoother. That is a much better circle. Look at that, you guys. Good circle so far. Isn't this cool? All right, so what I want to do is I want to update this, and I want to see what the AI thinks a circle is before it fully learns what the circle is. So let's play around with it a little bit more. This is neat. This is really neat. All right. So let's reduce the AI's thought process a smidgen. Let's bring this down over here. Let's bring this down to 2 so we get a better full picture. And then I want to reduce the learning down to 8. Well, to this. So it won't learn the full picture. The angle is getting better too, isn't it? It is definitely better. It's a lot better. You guys got it. You guys got it. No, I'm just kidding. I went to high school and don't graduate college with CS. Neither did I, Max. I didn't graduate college either. I dropped out. And about 25 years later, we're drawing circles again. But this time with artificial intelligence. But it's going to apply it to Time Machine School. Hey, there you go. Time Machine School. I need to be on the top. Code ain't top, but was super fun. Isn't it? I think coding's great. I love it. I love it. All right, let's pop back over here. All right. Pop this in. Let's see what is like. Okay, so that is less interesting. I'm not going to show that one. We need to drop this down. We need to drop it down. Let's just do 8. We'll do 8. 80. We'll do 80. Let's see what it looks like with 80. There we go. That's what I was thinking. That's what I was wondering. Look at here, you guys. That's not quite a circle, is it? That's not quite a circle. See, isn't it neat? Isn't it neat? So you're actually seeing an AI basically learning to draw a circle. What would be neat is to be able to stack it as it learns. So let's draw everything on top of itself. I've got an idea. Let's draw each of the epochs. Let's draw each of the let's draw every 100 epochs or something like that. Let's draw each of the epochs. So let's do 3. Bring this up to 3 because we need, hey, Eddie Legendary 12. Wait, hold on, Eddie Legendary 12. Another Eddie Legendary? How is that possible? How is it possible we got another Eddie Legendary? I didn't, yes, wait. Oh, hold on. Fun fact, George Orwell is not actually the author. Wait, really? George Orwell is the pseudonym for Eric Arthur Blair. Really? This whole time I was all like, it's got to be George Orwell. I thought it was George Orwell. All right, let's draw the circles. I think this is going to be neat. Check this out, you guys. Watch this. All right, so we need to set it up a bit. We're going to set it up a bit. We're going to bring it up here. We're going to prepare the canvas. There we go. Let's prep the canvas. And then we're going to pop down over here. And then we'll draw for every output, right? All the outputs, but only if the epoch. So let's do this. We'll do this here. Here, print and visualize. All right. So for every, but we should do it for every 20. We should do every 20. Mod equals 0. There we go. I think that works. Let's do mod 0. That's a lot better. That makes it a lot better. You got to change the mod or else it's going to be a problem. Otherwise, it's going to be a problem. So then what we want to do is plot this here. Let's plot it. But we need to convert it as well. We also have to convert it. So we got to do this. PXPY. We got to do it right here. Trading is a mix of serious legitness and illusion magic. Trading? Yeah, I think so. I think you're right. Trading definitely is. You're totally right. You're absolutely right, Max. You got to be careful, though, because... do you know Manim? What does that mean? I follow on... that's why it says... Oh, is that what it was? Eddie Legendary? Okay, so there you go. That's what we're learning new things today. All right, cross-platform. Hello, made it here. Oh, you did. First time chat. That's awesome. All right, that's great. Hey, Torva, thank you. Thank you for your following. That's what that is. I got to read it properly there. We're figuring it out. Thank you for the follow, you guys. Appreciate it. We're making it happen. It's real. I'm so excited about this. This is the part that I'm really eager to see. I think this is going to be really neat. I think this will be very satisfying. All right, so we out PX. All right, so I think... Oh, do we need this? This isn't even a thing we need. Let's get rid of that. What's that doing there? We don't need that. All right, so we need to copy and paste this here, over here. Bop this in a few paces. There we go, indent properly. Okay, I think that will do it. I think that'll do it right here. So we're gonna plot this. We'll see if that works. I don't know if we can double plot it. Do you think we can double plot it? I don't know if we can. Isn't epoch pronounced the same as epic? Oh, Scooby-Doo? Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I thought it was epoch. Is it called epic? Tell me if I'm right. Is it epoch or epic, you guys? Is it epoch or epic? You can use plot.ion to enable live plot mode and update your plot inside a loop so it's live? Really? Really? All right. I think that'll be pretty neat so we can watch it learn in real time. Because what we're going to see is the final result. We're only going to see the final result. So here we go. So let's see if that works. You think it's going to work? I don't know if it'll work or not. This is the part I'm not sure about right here. This part might cause problems. I say epoch, not epic. Yeah, me too. Me too, Nick Talk. I say epoch. I definitely say epoch. Why are you so not famous, bro? I love your energy. Panda, because we only basically got started a few months ago. Only about a few months ago, and so that's why. Maybe. I don't know. We got to keep going. We're not done yet. We've got a lot more to do. What if you add z-axis too? It can learn and make a cylinder or a cube. You're right. We can teach the AI to do anything, you guys. We can make it go. We can draw squares. We can draw cylinders. You're totally right. You're absolutely right, board villain. I didn't even think of that. I was just thinking small picture. Like, let's just have it draw a circle. All right, let's see if it works. Oh, okay. I know why. I know what's going on. No worries. It's not going to be called out. It's called Y predict. There we go. That was the problem. Hey. All right. There it goes. Hey, all right. Check this out. This is neat. Okay, so we caused a little bit of an issue there, though. All right, here we go. We shouldn't draw the legend. Here you go. Look at this is the AI learning to draw a circle over time. You're seeing it every single iteration, how it's drawing. So it's not animated, but you can see it. What I want to do. All right, so let's see if we can see. Can it draw Homer Simpson? It could. We could do it. Is there any cohort to learn more from your side? What do you mean? Any other cohort? I don't know. Maybe. I think so. Maybe. Sounds funny. It does. It does sound a little funny, doesn't it, Scooby-Dooby-Doo? I think it sounds a smidgen funny. Just a smidgen. But yes. All right. So let's see. Let's do like this. Let's do this. Let's do every 2 epochs. Let's draw a circle, and let's not draw the legend. We also don't want to draw. Do we? Yeah. We'll just keep the label there. That's fine. The label's fine. All right. And then instead of doing 8,000, let's do like 800. So let's see what it looks like when... Do you have autism? No? Why are you asking that question? So in British English, the dictionary says... POC, a.k.a. epoch. Oh, and in American English, it's epac. Oh, right? Epic? Epic. Oh, epic. Oh, really? Epic. Oh... So it's both. It just depends on which version of English you're using. Is that what it means? Hell yeah, bro. I know. Isn't this great? I'm really excited about this. I know we're getting all excited about drawing circles here, but I think it's pretty neat. Whoa, look at that. So this is the AI learning to draw a circle. See how it's getting circular there? Isn't that neat? Isn't that nifty? I think that's really nifty. All right, let's see what would the AI look like if we never, ever... This is what I'm curious about. What if we never trained it? Let's see what it looks like when we never train it. I'm actually kind of curious. Let's never train it and see what it looks like. Here we go. So this is what the AI thinks a circle is when you don't train it. This is what the AI thinks a circle is when you've not trained it. Isn't this weird? It made a parachute. It kind of did, didn't it? It's a loss function and compare with a perfect circle. Oh. Wait, Kevin McAllister. We could change a loss. We could change the optimizer. We could do a couple other things so it could get a little bit better. We could do a couple other things and it'll get a smidgen better. This is interesting. I thought it was pretty interesting, isn't it? Isn't this weird what it looks like when the AI doesn't know what to draw? It draws this. It actually draws something, and it will be different next time. Let's draw it again. So it should be different. See, look, now this is what the AI thinks a circle is now. See, this is what it looks like. Isn't this weird? Isn't this interesting? I think it's pretty satisfying. It looks a little suggestive. Perfect circle, great band. Oh, is it a band? I didn't even know that. Are there image seeded? No, this is completely in an isolated environment. Completely isolated. It's a funny circle. I know, it's crazy. This is a suggestive circle. Change your point of view. This could be a top-down view of a circle. I see what you're saying there. Could be a top-down view. All right, let's see. I want to do it one more time. I want to see what it looks like one more time. Oh, what is it? Oh, here we go. Now the AI thinks it's a line. Look at that circle, you guys. Isn't that nifty? I think that's pretty interesting. I think it's really weird. It's unexpected. But also it makes sense to me. Thank you, Scooby-Dooby-Doo, for following. Appreciate it. Welcome on in. Have an equal circle. I know, right? A loop. We could. And they say it's going to take over jobs. I know. Well, I can't even draw a circle without training. It's just neat. I think it's really neat. All right. So hopefully that music that we just played was not fully copyrighted, and then we'll have to mute all the audio. You could easily have it from a circle with straight lines. We could. I know, right? The AI is making a 4-dimensional circle. It could be, and we're only looking at it in a certain way, and so we can't tell that it's a circle. We can't tell that it's a circle. I want to see what it looks like again with this time. Oh, wait, that one's actually kind of pretty. Well, that one's kind of pretty. Not quite a circle, though, that time. Line circles, confirmed. I know, right? 9 circles. Could you combine this technique with a genetic algorithm? Yeah, Jay Looney. How's it going, Jay Looney? Which pits challenge in each phase against each other and finds what changes the circle. Yes, we could. So Jay Looney, what you're talking about is it's not supervised learning. It's not unsupervised learning. It's the other one. It's reinforcement learning. That's what it is. It's basically the genetic algorithm in artificial intelligence. It's the way to go. The AI is basically learning based on criteria in a world. And so you isolate in a world, and then you give it bounds, and then it can learn unsupervised without any other information other than sort of like an objective. You optimize for an objective. It could be a circle from above. It sure could be. It absolutely could be. Hey, V, thank you, V, for your subscription. I appreciate it. Welcome on in. AI draws 40 circles. Comment on the art. We could draw 40 circles. We could. All right, so here's what I want to do. Let's bring that back. Let's do 800. And then at each epoch, let's draw each epoch. And then I also want to do what Kevin McAllister was describing. I think it would be a lot of fun to visualize the data in real time. So let's do this first real quick. Ever heard of brain organoids? Yeah, I have. Not the standard user. Yes, absolutely I have. Not the standard user. Basically, it's a computer, or a organic computer, right? Organic computer. So you can take a brain, like a part of the brain, and then use the neurons as a compute engine. You could do that. All right, let's see here. Let's draw this real quick. I really wanted to see what this looks like. Okay, so we need more epochs. This is what it looks like, by the way. So you're seeing each of the stages. What we could do is we could clear the canvas, draw, clear, draw, clear, draw, clear. And then we could see it change over time. But we got to change it into real-time mode. You guys. So let's do 8,000. And then let's see. I just want to do this really quick. Let's just do this really quick. Pop this over here. Bring this back. All right, Pytorch. Here we go. Learning. It's learning how to draw a circle. As soon as it goes below 1, it's learning really well how to draw a circle very well. Oh, there we go. Here we go. All right, pulling it back up, you guys. So is the point of such a contrived example just to show off a small machine learning model? Jay Looney, yeah, basically. You're basically right. Yeah, you basically got it. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Pop this back over here. Okay, so here is what it looks like over 8,000. So you can see each time it draws, it's learning how to draw a circle a little bit better each time. Each time it's a little bit better, you guys. They actually grew the organoid from stem cells from the brain organoids. Really? Thank you for streaming. Absolutely. I wish my teachers would do this, better understand the material. Instead, they just gave a bunch of readings. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, no. So glad to have you here. Happy to help, and we're doing things. You should make it horizontal. Oh, Eddie Legendary, I could, but the challenge is I need a different setup. Like, I need another monitor. I need better internet. Ever heard of brain organoids? You got it. Not the standard user. You got it. All right. So what do we want to do next here? I want to do one last thing before we wrap up. We do got to wrap up eventually. So what we need to do is, so yeah, Eddie Legendary, I got you. Make it horizontal. We could, I just need to set it up a little bit differently. We got to set up, my teacher always told us the read instead of showing cool stuff like this. Really? The Floridian safety? That's awful. That's awful. This is like the fun part, right? We should be doing the fun parts of computer science, I think. I think we should do the fun parts of computer science. How easy would it be to use a color gradient across the gradients? Oh, so that we could see much better in the circle. Jay Looney, we are absolutely right. We absolutely could. We absolutely could. So we could, I think, so let me see here, let's go FF0000. Is that, can we do that? Is that something that we can do? Let me check this really quick. Let's check this really quick. See if that's possible. Oh, not a valid, string form. Is it? Wait, why not? So what I need to do is it needs to be, let's see, what I need to do is draw, let's see, plot, see, can we do it like that? Do we say red? Do we say red like that? 1 second. Let's see. Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, so yes is the answer. That is correct. Okay, so we could say FF0000, right? Red, green, blue, right? Red, green, blue. Is that going to work? No, it doesn't like that. It's ambiguous. Well, it's not ambiguous. It's very clear. It's like full on 256, 255 value. It's full 255 value. So why is that not? Oh, really? Oh, come on, really? This is all the Python I know. Hello world. Hey, Eddie Legendary. It's the first part. You got it. It's the first part. You got the first part right. Print hello world. You had the first part right. So before here, what we'll do is we'll do clear the previous plot. Pause. Wait. Plot.pause. Wait, are you serious? No, CLF. Okay, so let's see. So now what I want to do is Kevin McAllister said one thing that was really neat that I really want to do. It's like plot in real time. How do you do that? How do you do enable real-time plot? How do we do enable real-time? Turn on real-time plotting. Plot.ion. Okay, so that should do the trick. Okay, so that's all it was. Plot.ion. Let's see if it works. Let's hide that. Okay, let's see if that works. Thank you for the likes, you guys. All right, jumping. It's almost done. Or wait, what do you mean? What do you mean? Everyone has to start somewhere. You're right. Everyone's got to start RGB. Oh, it's RGB, right? Red, green, blue. Yes, RGB. So, but it's also like we could say green here, right? So it's more than red, green, blue. We could say green because it supports numbers. But I want to be able to print like a hex value. Just plug this into Claude. I know, right? We could, but we're really coding here. We're really coding. All right, let's see if that can work. Whoa, it's working, you guys. Oh my God. Oh, you can't see it. Or here we go. Look, there you go. Check it out. It's learning. It's learning how to draw a circle. Isn't that neat? Oh, we closed it too soon. Okay, it works. Isn't that neat? All right, let's turn this back to red so we can see it. And then it would be great if we could make that bolder, make it even bolder. We don't need a pause. Do we want to pause? I don't want to pause. So that's part of the problem is we're pausing. And let's bring this up to 80,000. 8,000. There we go. I need to go now. Bye. Nice stream. Thank you, Eddie Legendary. Good to see you. Also, you need to do this inside a for loop. Clear and then plot. Yes, that's what we're doing. That's exactly what we're doing. It is inside this for loop right here. You got it. It's inside the for loop. All right, let's bring this over here. Is it possible to program a graph calculator in Python? Yeah, you absolutely could. You totally could, Miles. You absolutely can. Yeah, you can. All right, let's bring this over here. Now let's pop that back. Oh, that's not working. We apparently do have to pause. All right, let's interrupt that for a second. Apparently we got to do this, but I don't want to pause too slowly. Let's pause 1/10 of a second. There we go. Is that going to work now? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, it's looking so cool. Here you go, guys. All right, here we go. Right there. Check it out. It's learning. It's learning. It's trying really hard. It's the AI is trying to learn. Check it out. Isn't that crazy? Look, it's trying. It's going to close it. Is it going to close it? It might. It probably will. Oh, it almost did. It almost got it. It's almost closing. Oh, so neat. The AI, it's learning. There you go. The AI is learning. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. Zoom in a smidgen. There he goes. There you guys go. That's the AI. It's learning right there. Yes, we did it. Tensor AI guy. Tensor AI. We did it. We did it. Hey, we did it. Kevin McAllister. Yes, we did it. I know, Board Villain. We're making it happen, you guys. This is cool, isn't it? I thought it was neat, Nick Talk. I thought it was really neat. So it's every stage is going to get slightly better and a little bit better, but I think we might have hit we almost hit the most it could learn because the model is not very big. It's not very big. It's very tiny. It's like kilobytes. This is like the brain size of a fly, of a fly, you guys. It's like a cricket. The brain size of a cricket. If you really focus the cricket, you can train. Press G. Thank you for your subscription. Happy to have you in here. Try to make a perfect circle. That's what we're trying to do. Yep, we're absolutely trying to do that. We're making it happen though. It's working. It's really close, right? It's doing pretty good. It's actually doing really good. I wonder if we could make it any better. It is. It's continuously getting better. It's getting just slight better, just a little bit every time. What's your hardware? We're running on a Mac computer. On a Mac computer, you guys. Tensor guy, Mac computer with the metal backend, GPU accelerated. Set a min and max for the plot axis so it doesn't move like that. Oh yeah, because it keeps jiggling around, doesn't it? It keeps jiggling. Let's close that really quick. Let's close that. All right. Let's bring this back over here. We can make it go faster. And then so let's see here. Let's see, label plot label. What if we turn that off? Can we turn that? Figure size 10 by 5. Okay, sounds good. Let's bring that open. I'm going to pop that open real quick. See if that looks good. Yep. Okay. So yeah. All right. So let's follow Kevin McAllister's idea so it doesn't jump all over the place. All right. So set min and max plot axis. All right. So is this it? Okay. And then what was it before? It was like 10. What was it? We got to run over. What was the actual size? What was the actual size of it? I forgot. It's 1:1. Okay. It's 1:1. So perfect. I think we go 0. I think we go to 0 to 1.1. Let's do that. 0 to 1.1. That should do the trick, right? That should do it. Wait. Typo, you guys. All right, bring that back over here. All right. Hey, here we go. Oh, it's still jiggling. Why is it jiggling? Oh, because we did it wrong. Okay, let's close that really quick. We really do. Okay, so let's bring this back. It really has to be this way. Is that it? Plot limit. Perfect. Okay. So there we go. So let's see if that works. Let's see if that does the trick. Good education content, Hassan. Thank you for saying. That's great feedback. Is that gonna? No, it's still jiggling around. It's still jiggling. What we need to lock it. Is that AI work local PC? It is. It is local PC. You got it. It's local because it's a very tiny AI model. It's very tiny. Super tiny. So it can work. Is it need more GPU? It's got plenty of GPU. You can even run this on a CPU, and it was perfectly fine because it's a very small model. It's very small. Very tiny, super tiny. Like you can see right here, this is like kilobytes. It's kilobytes. Don't force the baby. I know, Celestial AI official. We need to get this. We need to get this to work. Why is this always a deal? Do we need to? Are we putting it in the wrong spot? Do we have to put it there? Because matplotlib is stateful. It's definitely stateful. Oh, okay. I got it. So we probably have to do it over here. Let's put it right. Let's put it right here, maybe. So 2. There we go, like that. Let's see if that works better. Let's see if that works even better. We're gonna find out here. Is it better? I don't know. Is it? It seems. Oh, it is. Okay, it is better. Okay. Here we go. The AI is learning. It's learning. It's learning. What I need to do is I need to learn it. It needs to learn in faster steps, because this is not enough. It's you're just seeing it jump around too much. So let's close that really quick. Let's do fewer epochs. Let's do fewer. So let's do every 100 steps. We'll do every 100 epochs, you guys. Why don't we make it larger? Wait, what do you mean? The model? Oh, let's make it larger. Okay, we'll make it larger. Boom. There we go. It's larger now. And now it's bigger. Now it can learn a better circle. It can learn even better. An even better circle, you guys. All right, so we made it bigger. So now we basically give it 50% more capacity. We gave it 50% more capacity. So now it's bigger. And let's see, what else do we do here? Let's pop. That okay. Make it real time. Let's bring this back up here. Here we go. So we got all those things. We don't need that. Looking good there. Okay. And then we print that, and now we should be good to go. Now we should be good. I think we're good to go now. We also, do we need a pause? Nah, we'll just keep the pause there. Okay. Let's bring this in. Let's see what this looks like. Here we go. Oh, wow. It learned to be a circle very fast that time. It learned to be a circle way too fast. Oh, no, it disappeared. Oh, it disappeared. Oh, that's not good. Because of this. Here we go. There we go. We got to do that. Okay. It learned way too fast is what happened. So what I should do is I should pause it. I should do a quick pause, a plot pause here, so then I can move it over to the screen. I'll give it 1 second. So I can bring it up on the screen. There we go. Let's see. So 1 second. There we go. It's paused. There it goes. Oh, all right. Almost got it. There we go. Let me zoom in on it there. There we go. Oh, it closed again. I thought we got it. I thought we did a. Okay. So what I could do is I could just throw a pause down here. Let's do the pause for like 100 seconds. Perfect. Now it'll be fine. Okay. Perfect. It's learning way too fast. So you can't see it anymore. Oh, it didn't matter if I put it back. Okay. All right. 1 second. I've got an idea. Here we go. Got it. Okay, got it. Plot. Don't need the legend. Show. We don't need that. Can we just do that? Is that better? If we do it like that? All right, there we go. It's learning. Went to 1 finally. Here it goes. All right. There you go. That's a pretty good circle. I think that's a pretty good circle, don't you think? It would be nice if we didn't have these little cross thatches down here at the bottom, but I think we could fix that. So we did it, you guys. We did it. How AI gets data for learning. Is it web search? Oh, we are giving it synthetic data. Best circle yet. You got it, Floridian. Floridian safety, you got it. Best circle ever. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. No way. I know we did it right. What's your first programming language that I learned? Low ZZ Gaming. It was C++. And that was the mistake. It was C++. It's not the first language you want to learn. You do not want to learn that language as your first language because there's too much to learn and you don't get the benefit. It's a giant barrier to entry. That's awesome. I know it's LLM tool. It uses Hashan. Is same API connect? What do you mean? It's a different. We're just using Pytorch. Now try giving the Pytorch logo. I know, right? We could. Kevin McAllister, we absolutely could. We totally could. We could do that. Maybe that's what we'll do next time. That's the next time thing. Are you right? That's the thing we'll do next time. We'll do the Pytorch logo right up here at the screen. So you can see here at the screen. Right up here, you guys. We get the Pytorch logo right here. Right the Pytorch logo. We could absolutely do it. So what we need to do is give it sort of like a bunch of. I'm not sure what the shape would look like. Would it need to be generative? Would it need to be what should it look like? I don't know. I'm not familiar with it. I've not done images before. Boom, 100 seconds passed. The screen went away. Thank you for the likes, you guys. All right, I think we did it. I think we win. Wouldn't it be quicker to train the AI on how to draw shader programming? I don't know. I think it would take a little bit more effort because we're just giving the AI just the right amount of information in order to learn how to draw a circle, and it does a good job. Let's run it one more time because it was fun to see. Here we go. Pop. There we go. See, it's learning. Oh wait, it's a little boom. All right, there we go. Circle, you guys. We did it. So that'll be the plan for next time. I think that's the plan for next time. Soy Gonzo. Hey, man, I'm trying to train a transformer to predict climbing routes on fixed indoor wall definitions. So like bouldering, wall definitions, indoor rock climbing. Has the idea ever come to your mind? I'm currently struggling with getting the right features. So I guess it depends on what your output's going to look like, right? I think we can make a plot of Pytorch logo and then ask the AI to draw that plot. Yeah, exactly. That's what we want to do. So we absolutely can. We can take the exact same algorithm that we have here, and instead of giving it a sine wave, we give it the position of the index, of the Pytorch logo as the output to train that on the model. So we can absolutely do that. We can give it an XY as the output for the pixel position, and then the input data will be the position of the pixel. And then the AI will have learned how to draw a picture, you guys. I think it'll be like, how long have you been coding? For many decades. No Moose, for many decades. Thank you for asking. Lots of decades for programming. Many decades. So we did it basically. I think we basically win. I can't believe it. Isn't that neat? That happened a lot faster than I thought it was. All right, you guys. So we solved the goal for today. We drew a circle. We had the AI draw a circle, as you saw there. With the AI draw a circle, let me do this really quick so you guys can see what it looks like. We'll see what it looks like generatively. So I'm going to pause this for 5 seconds. Open up the window. Ion, here we go. So here's the window here. All right, here you go, you guys. This is what I get to see that you didn't get to see before. There it is. Whoa, look at the AI. Look at it going. It's learning how to draw a circle now. And we're going to do it through all the steps. See, isn't that crazy? It's neat. It's really neat to see how the AI learns how to draw a circle, you guys. That is so nice. That is very nice. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. We did it. We had the AI learn how to draw a circle. Isn't that crazy? I think it's crazy. I think it's pretty neat. There are also AI models specifically for image recognition. Yes, there are. CNNs and transformer, vision transformers. They're a cool indie game that uses it called Stick Around. Really? I didn't know about that. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow over there. Thank you for all the likes. Appreciate seeing the party poppers there. I want to learn how to do this in Python, but how to move forward, what to learn and build. Help. Okay, so first step so we got it on our Discord. So go to our Discord server, go to the free resources section on Discord. Under the free resources, go to the free resources section here on Discord. Is this it right here? And then go to Discord section. It's right over here. The circle is learning here. And then go to the section called free resources. And then we've got some really good links. Really, really good links there. Some fantastic links. And there you go. Do you just stream on lunch or something usually? Log Z Gaming. So I stream when I have free moments, which is different times in the day. So on the weekday. Different times on the weekday, you guys. This is so much cooler. I know, it's neat. Thank you, Kevin McAllister. Really good idea. So there you go, you guys. We did it. You should stop teaching AI. Wait, what? Why? No, wait. I'm always going to teach AI. I think AI is great because look, we're having a lot of neat practices here. I think it's pretty satisfying. I think we did it. I think we did a good job. I think I'm satisfied. I'm definitely satisfied. All right, you guys. I think that was it for today. I think we achieved our goal. We did it, everyone. All right, we'll be back tomorrow. We'll be doing what was requested. You guys were requesting. We'll try to draw the Pytorch, just the emblem. Maybe we could draw the whole thing. We could probably draw the whole thing. But let's see if we can teach an AI to draw just the emblem. So we need to convert that. We need to vectorize it, and then we need to. So we have to do data preparation. Yes, keep working. All right, that's the plan, Kareem. That's the plan. We'll do it. Is the free resources good enough for people who have no idea about AI? Yes, because thank you for the likes, you guys. Because it's specifically for starting Python. It's specifically for starting Python. Exactly. So it's no precursors required. And it's called, I think it was you. Was it you? Let me see here. So Was it Angela Yu? I think. So you just go over here to our Discord and scroll up until you see the YouTube links. Dr. Angela Yu. Here you go. Dr. Angela Yu. Here on our Discord. Just scroll up here and it's a link on our Discord and you're good to go. You're good to go. This is for the one right here. Dr. Angela Yu's YouTube for Python. That's it. Oh, I said a word. Uh-oh. I shouldn't have said that. Oh, no, I said it. Whoops. I'm not supposed to say those. But, oh, well. Hey, we said it at the right time because we're just done. We're done. We figured it out. All right, you guys, thank you for hanging out today. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll be drawing. We'll have the AI draw something more advanced. We'll do the more advanced. My first language was visualbasic.net. Next stream idea, can you write a simple neural network in visualbasic.net? I mean, we could. Kevin McAllister, BB. I mean, that is an idea. There might even be libraries. There might even be libraries for it, you guys. I think my messages aren't being sent, so I sent it again. There you go. Good call. Sometimes you got to double send it. Bro, I learned NumPy for machine learning, so tell me the further steps. Okay, so Kareem, once you're done with NumPy, you want to start out with you could do Keras or Pytorch. What's the Discord name? Stephen Blum. It's Stephen Blum, but I can copy it for you. Here you go. All right, right before we leave here, you guys, we'll copy in the Discord link. There you go. Here's the Discord link. Pasting it in for you. There you go. Discord link. Good to go. All right, there you go. The Discord link. So we'll be back tomorrow, everyone. Thank you for joining in. We're wrapping up now. We got to get going. You guys. I got to go do some other items. We got to take care of a business. Got to take care of business, you guys. Thank you for joining. We'll be back tomorrow. All right, got to go, guys. There's also a link on the profile. Yep. Also, there's a link on the profile. You got it. It's there as well. All right, here we go. I'm clicking the stop stream button. All right, bye, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. All right, clicking the stop button there. 1 second. Stop, and there we go. All right, we finished that. All right, now we're seeing the stop button over here. All right, now I can say like YouTube and stuff. Amazing, thanks, cool. Thank you so much. Absolutely, you got it. All right, you guys, I'm clicking the stop button. Here we go. Stop button is right here. Boom, right there. Stop streaming.